Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. Before that, we have discussed new and delete in a dynamic memory allocation, right, in C++. New and delete are same as in C language, malloc, alloc, realloc as assigning the dynamic memory allocation to a pointers, I mean whatever the data we are having, and then the delete is for deleting the content, I mean whatever the content present in a size that will get deleted. But here we are with the help of delete we are using. In C we use free. With the help of free function we have to use that, but here we are using delete. So on that two topics, I mean new and delete, I'll be discussing about this video. But let's moving on to a question. I mean, how we are going to give the new, I mean, whatever the dynamic memory allocation to a integer, float, and character, that I'll be discussing. So before entering into that, let's know how the memory gets allocated in a stack and heap. So consider this is a stack area, and then this is a heap area. Okay, this is a stack area and this is our heap area. So if I want to store the integer of pointer p and float of pointer q and character of pointer r. So if I want to allocate this memory allocation in my stack and heap, how it will be, I'll be demonstrating. Okay, for integer p, right? So p will be, for example, take address of p as 100, and then this will be pointing to a in a heap area, right? So as it contains of integer, right, in C++ of turbo, it will be storing of two characters. So one would be, एक दो minute, one, and then another would be my, and here would be my 10. I mean what I'm telling is 10 is stored here like this. So if if I'm assigning p equals to 10, so 1 will be stored like this and 0 will be stored like this, because it consists of only two bytes, right? If it is float, then it will be storing 4 bytes, and if it is character, it will be storing only single byte. So if it is character r equals to x, it will be storing simple x. So that's it. Let's move on to once coding part. Dash include as always, into main, and that we are going to assign that this star p would be my, and float q and character of x, एक 2 minute, and p would be my new integer of, if I'm assigning 10, and then q equals to my new float of, for example, 20.5, and r would be my new character of x. So guys, when we look at here, we are assigning the dynamic memory allocation with the help of new. So let's print this p and q and r. So this should be my new, r was not declared, sorry. p p equals to new int of 10, and then new float of 1.5, and character. So this is showing garbage value, right? P equals to new int of 10. Star p. So whenever we are using dynamic memory allocation, we are taking their address, right? So if we want to get the values with the help of pointer, we are going to take the address at that value. So with the help of star, we are going to get their values. So 10, 20.5 and XR are dynamic that are stored in our dynamic memory allocation, and we are with the help of their address we are printed them. So let's move on to one more question with the help of a single 1D array. 1D array. So similarly, we have used new, right? Here we'll be using new and delete, and then in the main. First, we are going to assign the dynamic memorial again size uh, for our size. For example, here I'm taking I'm taking size, right? But I'm assigning pointer to my size. I mean, this size can be changed based upon our requirement. So for this, cin of p of I, and after that I have to simply print it. C out of. Before we have discussed that whenever we are using pointers, so if we want to get the value, we have to use star pointer to take the address at that value, to take the value at that address. So that's it. Let's compile and check. For integer, right? I have not declared integer. So let's assign 5 values: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 40 and 50, I have allocated all this size. If I want to delete them, with the help of delete function, let me put endl. And if I want to delete whatever the elements present in my uh, what do we say, in my array, so I'll be deleting them in my pointer. Sorry, delete of p. If I want to check whatever the elements present in it, after delete 3, 1, 2, 3, after delete this is showing garbage value. So there is no such elements in our pointer, so that's why it is showing garbage value. So elements in a memory. So 5 is my size: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Elements in our memory are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. After deletion, I mean, it is showing garbage value. Whatever the elements that are going to deleted will be deleted. So from our memory, it will get deleted. So that's it for my video. Thank you guys.